Hi and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Today's video is quite exciting because I finally met my internet friend of 9 years. Also, I'm trying so hard to look into the lens and I hope it actually makes a difference. So follow along for the journey of her being in Cape Town and us meeting for the first time in person, and I showed her around Cape Town. So we met on the 28th of April. She was with her tour group for a bit, and then the tour group left and she stayed behind. And then we went and did some touristy things and it was a lot of fun. This is also just to document it for myself because, you know, being friends for 9 years, not being able to take any photos together, any videos, I just wanted to document everything to try and like make up for that, I guess, and for the next period of time until we meet again. It is a bit later since recording the intro and outro for this video, but I forgot to say, in the video you'll see almost every time a bird or an animal comes up while we're at World of Birds, I put the species name at the top of the screen in case you're interested to know what animal it is, but also mainly just for myself because I love learning about animals and species, and I used to read encyclopedias for fun as a kid. And I'm kind of getting back in that era now, but you may have noticed I love making like animal content, like just subtly, but blogs of like going to farms, etc. So this is just for all that, just because I love learning about animals, and I hope you do too.
So cute.
Yeah, I'm much shorter. These are my friends.
Hi.
Hi. What do you want to tell them? What are you drinking?
Drinking a rum hot chocolate. I'm not ordering it again. It's okay.
Not again? Oh, is it too much rum?
I like rum. I love rum, but not with like a hot chocolate.
I have a Cosmo. Obviously, delish. Oh, the chicken. Is it regular here to come to the eyes of water? Oh, okay. But what happens if you don't do it? What's the consequence? No, if you don't look into the other person's eye when piercing, you get that second. Oh, okay. Yeah. This is your second drink so far. Who am I talking to? The people. The people. YouTube. This better go viral. How's your storage?
It's actually fine. I always had problems, but it's actually great. I've figured out the problem. It's CapCut. It drops.
We zijn aan het vloggen. Some of my I can't explain. One of my friends in the group gave me this glass of wine, and it is more than one normal glass of wine in it. And it's actually crazy. I don't know if I can do this.
Zes mensen. Jij gaat ook 6 mensen op en dan moet je nog 2 hebben van...
I'm gonna show you it. Because you want me to show you.
If you're right.
6. Hij staat hier.
Oh, that's great. Nice.
The lighting sucks, but I just got home from meeting my internet friend of 9 years. What do you mean? Anyways, it went really well, obviously. I know you're watching this, obviously, Naz. I love you, and I'm very grateful that we got to finally meet after all these freaking years of me annoying you. But yeah, it was lots of fun, and I hope you're enjoying dinner. Well, you probably just got there, and this is just the start. So, to many more adventures for the next 2 weeks, and hopefully, obviously, in the future. But I just got home and I'm gonna eat my dinner, which I cooked earlier, and then I'm working tomorrow morning while they'll probably be out the whole day. So I might not see her tomorrow, and then I'm working the whole Thursday, and then I'm off for quite a bit. the group leaves on Sunday, I think. No, Saturday. And then there's just me and her. So then we can actually do activity together and plan the whole day, etc. Which now I can plan a bit better of like what we're gonna do.
Hey. With the view.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams alive.
There's more going on. There's more.
Sign me up and tell me about
That duck is not supposed to be here. Eating all their food.
who we're trying to
Oh, you're gonna make.
fly.
Don't look.
Where are you? Call so honey if you need to cry.
Oh, the spider looks nice.
Just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away.
Wow. Hey.
I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. Things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. And I'm right here if you just need to cry. Come on, share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget your I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. Crying on my pillow, rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away.
Hi.
And these ones are streaming.
Look at all those chickens.
Look at all those chickens.
Hello. 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 So
We are at the World of Birds in Haupt.
yes,
What do you think so far?
there's a lot of big birds, which I've never seen before. I think I've only seen like 2 birds, and the rest has been very much new to me. It's very nice.
Yeah.
I like it. A lot of new information from my new guy that we have here.
What's your favorite birds so far?
I think it was the one that just greeted me,
Oh, the cockatoo.
the cockatoo. That was really nice. That was funny. And then also the big colorful ones. Which I also forgot the name.
Okay, not flamingos.
No, the ones that we saw before with the many rainbow colors.
The parrot-looking one.
The parrot-looking one. Yeah,
they're cool.
with like the big ones.
Yeah,
I have
that's
never
really
seen those.
cool.
And I also like the cats. I mean, those
They
are
were
not the birds.
cute, yeah.
But the cats, they were so cute and
So
cozy, just laying in the sun. And the weather is amazing.
They look so cute and cuddly.
Yeah, they
Little
look so
ball.
cute. Yeah, true.
Yeah,
It's a good experience. We're going to the monkeys after this.
yeah. Where the
Very
squirrel
scary.
monkeys climb on you. Oh, we should probably take our jewelry off
Yeah,
as well.
yeah. And their phones are not.
I mean, I'm gonna try film it.
Okay, you can do that. I still need my phone to get back home,
Yeah.
so I won't bring it with me.
I guess you could say duck. We say duck. I think we have, but not like this close. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my God!
Push feet. Bless you.
My head is in fear. A bird just pooped right in front of me, and I was so close. Could have been pooped on. Yeah, it's supposed to be like when they poop on you, but no one wants that, so I felt lucky that it didn't poop on me.
I just opened the bag of NikNaks. Ooh! Wait! Oh.
Mixed feelings.
It's not like Cheetos.
Yeah, I think it's pretty much Cheetos, but it tastes a bit different.
But is it
It's close. It's like basically its competitor.
But it's only South Africa, right? South Africa favorite snack. The NikNaks. Yeah, it's very artificial, but I like it.
Okay, nice.
It's good.
I mean,
It's a good snack. They're weird. They're not like...
I find them
all the
crunchier
same
than
shape.
Cheetos.
They are crunchier than
Yeah.
Cheetos. Because they're smaller. More airy. Approved.
Approved.
First snack of South Africa.
Yeah.
It's been approved.
We're Company Gardens
Yes, we are.
after thrifting. I got 5 items.
5 items.
I'll show you later.
I only got 2.
Yeah,
But I don't have a lot of luggage storage, so
true.
if I did, I would have bought more.
And then there's a planetarium museum, Table Mountain. Yeah.
We took some
The lighting is really good this way, actually.
I know, it's amazing.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Okay, I'll take some selfies.
I made a friend. He's dancing with me. He's so cute, he likes us. Maybe he thinks this is food. This is worse.
I record these so many times. Also, look at my nails. They're a bit grown out, but for once I had my nails done. It was for a photo shoot. Okay, goodbye, and I hope you have a beautiful, magical day and that you see butterflies and birds and see something that brings you as much joy as guinea fowls.